Alright, hello fellow simmers. Welcome to another exciting trip with your old buddy Jesse from Sim Nation. Been a while since I narrated a trip and, well, just haven't really been into talking, just driving more so than anything. Just enjoying the route, enjoying the trips. But we are, of course, in the Illinois mode right now. This is my home state, and I am taking a milling machine to Rockford, Illinois. That is pretty damn close to where I work at full time as my real world career. And we are taking a milling machine from Sherwood, from Dubuque, Iowa, which is just a hop, skip, and a jump away over to Rockford, Illinois. So for those of you from Rockford, shout out to you. This one's going to be a quick one, only about 3 hours, 131 miles. Let's take this and get it going. Hopefully my rig can handle it. Looks like we're going to be A-okay on this one. I really beefed it up, so we should be fine. Just fine. And hopefully my computer doesn't crash. Ever since we got Illinois, my computer's been acting kind of odd.
Time to hit the road.
Come on. There we go. I picked up the Mazda steering wheel, the pedals, the shifter, the spring for the brake. I picked up everything I could think of for this Mazda setup. And, you know, they say how easy it was to set up. I gotta tell you, I thought it was a fucking bitch, man. I had a hellacious time. I also got the multifunction thingy with the turn signals and shit like that. So, I think I got everything. Finally got it set up. It took me like 8 hours. And finally, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna plead stupid here because I cannot see my GPS. It's really grayed out. I wish that would not be like that. I don't know if there's anything on here to make it brighter. That would be something to look into, I suppose. This truck is really super quiet. I've got to turn up my headphones just so I can hear it. Okay, again, I cannot see. It's so frickin' dark, that GPS down there. I'm in a John Ruta truck. Hang on, folks. I'm gonna do a reach so the my eye tracker thing is probably gonna do some funky ass shit. So hang on. Okay, looks like we gotta get out of here to get it going here. Got a little bit of driving to do. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. About 20 minutes. That's not too bad. Just getting out of here is probably going to be half the battle. Oh, I like that. That's a nice dock to back into. Looks like they need to fix up some cracks in this here. Dig the Bobby. Oh, I'm going to move the mic around a little bit here, so hopefully it's a little bit better as far as voice goes. If not, we'll just do some video / audio editing. We'll take a look at our load. You can check out the John Ruta truck here in just a moment. I honestly forgot what truck I'm driving. I think I pretty much own all of his trucks now. Which, I mean, if you're going to do it, you should definitely get the multi-pack ones, because you do save a little bit. But I was just getting one here and there. We are in Iowa right now, obviously. And we'll be on our way here just momentarily. Yeah, there's a Trans Am trailer. I haven't seen one of those for quite a while. Turning right there, bud. Alright. Looks like we're going to be following you. At least for a little bit. And this is what I mean. I'm getting a lot of stutters ever since Illinois came out. Don't know if they're going to have to do some tweaking on Illinois or what, but it's been pretty bad. Sometimes it hangs up for at least 5 seconds, and I'm thinking, oh shit, it's going to crash, but it doesn't. Just got to have a little patience, and then it's fine. So, like I say, I don't know if Illinois is that jacked up. I do know they are coming out with version 1.60 pretty soon. So I'm really hoping like hell that that's going to take care of a lot of these fucking stutters and shit like that. Because it definitely wasn't like that before Illinois came. And I know J.B. Pritzker, Illinois, he's probably wanting some tax money, and he's doing some shit. He's got hackers in there so that ATS stutters. Just kidding, Governor. Maybe. But it is a nice day for a ride. The sky is clear. Don't know why I'm stuttering so much. I kind of got a touch of a sore throat. Nothing major though. Nothing I can't handle. We're only 5 minutes out, so we will be hooking up here in just a bit. There's another one of the
go straight
temp agencies.
Get ready to turn left.
Normally, I don't like to have the in-game GPS on. I like to use the GPS that's in the actual trucks themselves. Now we get to wait for a choo-choo. I will say I do really like this Mazda or Moza, however you pronounce it, setup. It's very nice. I was using a Logitech G29, and honestly that wasn't too bad, but I just wanted more of an immersion, and this definitely seems to be getting me to where I want to be. I'm thinking this is going to be a keeper. It was between this one and then the other one that's out. I forget which one that's even called now. It's got like everything all in one little bundle. You just excuse me, I'm so sorry. You just hook it right up and away you go. Where this one you've got to put shit together. And like I say, I'm not mechanically inclined. Oh, there's our load right there. Okay, this is going to be a big one. So I need to get my ass turned around. It was a nice ride, wasn't it? Let's take a look at what we got, shall we? Before we hook up even. That's a badass machine right there. Ooh, I like it. That is really cool. Okay, I'm going to get turned around down here, and then we're going to hook up and be on our way to beautiful Rockford, Illinois, or as we like to call it, Glockford. Of course, I don't know if YouTube will let me say that word, so that might get stripped out. I don't know. There's another look at it. Damn, that thing looks badass, so I would love to drive one of those. Okie dokie. Where are we at? There we go. Right now I do have it as automatic because I did not realize that I needed another part for a desk clamp. I thought the universal mount was going to be all I needed, and I was wrong. You need, if you want to mount this on your desk, the shifter, that is, you need the, there we go.
Okay, here we go.
You need the universal mount as well as the flight deck clamp mount. So if you guys do decide to buy this setup, you're going to need both of those if you want it to have a desk clamp. If you've got a regular, steel setup thing, you might be able to just hook everything up direct, or you might need the universal universal plate. Not sure. Again, remember, the plate and the desk clamp for the flight thing is sold separately. I just figured, well, you get the universal plate and you get both, but you don't.
Get ready to turn right.
Let me get a choo-choo. Very active train yard, or train tracks, I should say. There's a little bit of graffiti on the building over there. A little shed. Oh, look, there's someone doing some graffiti right now. How about that? That's just awesome. Let's give... Whoa. Give him a shout out. This might be interesting, getting around this curve. Why in the hell are there so many cars and trucks? Must be a frick of a intersection. Alright, we're gonna sneak our way out there. We might just have to be an asshole and just kinda... Holy shit, look at all that. And I don't have any mods in for traffic either, by the way. You gonna make it there, bud? Well, this is a long articulated trailer, so hopefully we make it without taking too much of anything with us. I think we're gonna be alright. Yeah, we didn't even tear up the yard.
Go straight.
Can't beat that. Yeah, cool. I don't know why I didn't activate it, but that's okay. No big deal. It's supercuts. We don't have any of those anymore around where I'm at. Oh, please. No, you jackass. Yeah, we might get to see a little bit of Dubuque before we head on out to Rockford.
Stay right, and then turn right.
Okay.
Turn right.
I should actually have my beacons on. There we go. We're chugging right up the hill here. Yay! Not quite sure where they're going to have us go because ATS really does cut a lot of stuff out. Hey there, officer. Having fun pulling that dude over? Better him than me. Personally, I have never been to Des Moines, so I don't know how accurate this is. Uh-oh, what's going on? Prepare to stop. Alright. Ooh, I hope we don't get to go downtown in this baby. Ooh, look at that old bridge over
Stay
there.
right, and then turn right.
Wonder if we're gonna get to go over that bad boy. Hey, a fellow construction driver.
Turn right.
Here we go. Assuming we're gonna stay left.
Stay left, and then turn left.
We might be going over that big old bridge. I don't know if that's the
Turn
one
left.
that crosses the Mississippi. Maybe. That figures. Story of my life. As soon as I get stopped, the light turns green.
Stay left, and then turn left.
Okay, we're turning left.
Turn left.
I gotta get there. Have patience, sir, my GPS friend. But I have actually been in Rockford with ATS, and the part that I was in, accurate, very accurate. And like I say, a lot of stuff is taken out of it, and I get it. I mean, you can't have every single blade of grass in there, but it was really accurate, impressive. I've not been downtown yet, so I don't know what that looks like. And I tried not to watch any videos, although I did see a couple of shorts where it showed the old Tabala Towers, which used to be a fancy, fancy place. And now it's kind of a slum. You know, I hate to say it, because it was so elegant at one time. If ATS has done your state, let me know in the comments. Did they get it right? Oh, we are going across it. I believe this is the bridge crossing the Mississippi, but I'm not 100%. Please don't let me run you over. Thank you. Oh, that's got to be the bridge crossing the Mississippi. So, as soon as we cross the Mississippi, we will be in Illinois. What's this? Iowa. Oh, that's got to be the Mississippi. Beautiful. I tend to like these older bridges like this. I feel more safe. I don't know why. I guess because they've been there forever. Is that a barge? Oh, there's the dam. Take all the damn pictures you want. How about that, yo? Oh, there's a barge there, too. How cool is this? I love it. What's this say? Don't know. I'm assuming it says Missouri because it's got the arch on it. Galena. Galena's a great little town. It's a tourist trap, basically. It's based on tourism. 100%. It's a rather quaint little place. Kind of expensive, but it is a tourist place. I couldn't tell you how many shops are in that town. I mean, there's got to be at least 100, if not more. We are definitely out in the country here. Oh, how about that? They do have Galena. I did not know that. And yes, they do have brick roads. That is so cool. So we are probably going to see the downtown, and you can see a little bit of the hills. Yes, Illinois does have some hills. Not a lot, but we do have some. The more west you go out, obviously, the more hilly you're going to have. Oh, this is so cool. I did not realize they had Galena in here.
Go straight.
I don't know if they have the whole town modeled or not. This is really
Go
cool.
straight.
Oops, brakes. Tourist info. Looks like you can't turn that way. I'm gonna stop and get some fuel though before we go out of town here. Very cool. I'm not seeing the hills though. Well, I guess we've got a hill coming up here. Ulysses S. Grant used to live in Galena. I'm not sure. I believe he might have passed away while he was still living in Galena. They have haunted tours and stuff like that throughout the city. Yeah, we are going up one of the hills right now. Excuse me, folks. I'm so sorry. This is so freaking cool. I have not been out this way, so this is all brand new to me. Okay, looks like we got a spot to pull off up here, and I'm going to take that opportunity to check this out. But I am going to fill up with some fuel. Maybe. Oh yeah, I should have turned back there. Oh well. Nobody's around, so I can swing her wide and hopefully not take out too much.
Rerouting.
Okay. Let's get filled up, shall we? Oh, it doesn't show you filling up. This is gonna be a bitch getting through this, I'm sure. have actually been better going this way. Because I could, well, either way would have worked, I suppose. Okay, let's get back on track, and we're going to watch the video, and we're going to see some Galena, Illinois action. Yeah, this is perfect. This is the hills I'm telling you about. Illinois definitely does have its share of hills when you head out west.
Finding new route.
It also has its share of flatland too, don't get me wrong. Thank you there, car. Appreciate you heading back there for me. And right up the way we've got our little pull off. Morris, good job, buddy. Thank you. Have you leveled up? Oh, nice. Good job. Yeah, there's some high-ass hills out here. Okay, we're coming up on that lookout. I'm assuming it's over here. Oh yeah, and this I do remember this.
Route.
There is an actual lookout place here, and it's beautiful. It really is. I'm just gonna put my hazards on for safety. I mean, I've got my beacons going and stuff, but you know, people aren't they don't pay attention when they're at a touristy place. Ooh, this might be interesting. We're gonna have to go in nose first. Let's see if we got it. Okay, we did. Between two rivers. Okay, Mississippi being one, but what's the other river? Oh, Illinois. Duh. It's beautiful, though. That is accurate. I remember that tree over there. Not really, I'm just bullshitting you. I've noticed that there's been a lot more lawyer billboards in ATS. Don't know if there's a reason for that, but it is very nice. Nice cutscene. I love it. I'm proud to have this one on my Steam account now. Of places I've been. I mean, honestly, there's really not much to see other than, you know, the hills and such, but I was hoping there would be a little bit of downtown that would show, but that's alright. There's my truck way over there. Nice drone shot. It's probably going to be it, I would imagine. Yep. Alright, now let's see if we can get out of here without killing anybody. Come on. Oh, I guess I did miss that car. That's kind of nice. I bet he's happy. I gotta watch these guys, though. I gotta swing her wide. For sure. I think everybody made it. Awesome. Well, the fun part's going to
Get
be
ready to
crossing the
turn
road.
left.
I think we'll be alright. There don't seem to be a lot of traffic.
Turn left.
It's 7:15 at night. Damn it, I was hoping to get into Rockford during daylight. Hello, Mr. State Trooper. Hitting a little curvage there, but I don't have much of a choice. Okay, we're off. What do we got here? Rockford, Savannah. Savannah's another nice town, little quaint town on the Mississippi. Beautiful scenery there. Looks like Savannah isn't modeled or anything yet. We're only 28 miles from Rockford. I don't know if that's realistic or not. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. I'm surprised it hasn't showed us Freeport. I guess we can get rid of our hazards here, huh? Don't want to take this curve too fast with this bad boy on me. We're coming up to a stop sign here, or actually a light. Hey, there goes a boat. A boat.
Stay right, and then continue straight.
Okay. Still kind of getting used to the brake and gas pedals on this. $1,888 more pay. There you go. That's not a choice, it's a child. Well, I don't know what to say about that. I can't disagree with it. But I'm not here to preach. I'm here to enjoy ATS.
Go straight.
Covenant Transport. I might see if I can pull over and grab a nap before I get into Rockford, so we can actually see, Rockford in the daytime and not the nighttime. I haven't seen a Schneider truck in ages. East Chicago, Rockford, 1/2 mile. We're going to be taking 20. Don't know why we're not going that way. I don't know. If we're taking 20, we're going to kind of go through Freeport. I wonder if they've got anything on that. Might at least see the exit for Freeport, I suppose. Dixon, 1 mile. Dixon is about 20 minutes from where I used to live as a kid, my childhood hometown of Oregon, Illinois. It's actually pronounced Oregon. That's how we say it anyway. Bloomington Normal.
Stay left.
Wisconsin. Yeah, it'd be kind of cool when they get the Wisconsin map done. Go up to the Dells, one of my favorite places to go to. It's only about maybe an hour, hour and a half. I don't think it's an hour and a half north of Rockford. Another tourist place. That's their economy, much like Galena. It's
Stay left.
tourism. So when the tourists are done after the summer, oops, hold it. There we go. So when the tourism is done, then it's kind of it's a very dead town. We are
Stay right, and then exit right.
we're just about where we need to be.
Exit right.
State Street. That's one of the main streets downtown. Let's see what we can see in State Street. And I will let you know if something is real or not real. It's hard to judge this off
Get ready
ramp.
to turn right.
I wonder if they have the new
Turn right.
Hard Rock Cafe, or actually Hard Rock Casino. Sorry, it's not a cafe, it's a casino. Okay, here we go.
Here we are, safe and sound.
No clue where this is. Possibly. I'm not positive, but possibly. No, it can't be. I was going to say possibly the Lowe's distribution place. Uh-oh. This is going to be a tough one. I'm just going to have to wing it. Ooh, this is going to be a tough one. Especially with an articulated trailer. And I can't see the lines. I'll try to back it up, but it's not going to work. Oh yeah. We're just gonna have to go around and try to flip a UE and put her in that way. Ooh, look out for that bad boy. Don't want to scratch up our paint. I don't know if you can go around that building. You might be able to. I think we're gonna be okay. Let's see. Just curious. Ooh. I don't know if that can happen or not. I'm just gonna have to swing this as wide as I possibly can. and hope for the best. Is that a... That's an office. I was going to say, is that a generator? That's a pretty damn big generator. I think we might be okay. It's hard to tell. It's dark. I think we're going to be okay. Maybe not. I can't tell where I'm at, honestly. We're definitely not okay. I'm gonna have to do it again. We'll get it. It's not that difficult. It's just a matter of getting it right, you know? So one thing I don't like about articulated trailers because of this exact same thing. Got their little car. We don't want you to be one of my statistics. Okay, let's give this another shot here. We didn't make that one either. Well, shit. Third time's the charm, right? Boy, I really don't want to take a chance, but I'm going to see if I can just go around this building. Whew. I don't know. This one's probably not a wise choice. I was afraid of that. Nice looking fire truck there. Shit. This was not a wise choice. Not with this trailer. Doink. on, baby. We're scraping it, but we're gonna get it. There we go. Not the first truck driver to do that, and won't be the last. Of course, we got to get through these buildings. Somebody might want to get the carpenters out. Really, I guess it didn't get us any better than what we've already got. Alright. Wow. That's gonna be tough. This is an articulated mess here. Alright. We're gonna go one more time, and if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna say fuck it. But we're definitely not going behind that building. It should be a little bit more forgiving on something like this. But it definitely is not. You know what? I'm going to end the video right here, folks. I'm sorry it's not a perfect trip, but it is what it is. welcome to Rockford, Illinois, and we really didn't get to see a whole lot. But maybe next trip we'll get to do that, or one of the other trips down in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it 100%. Sorry for my coughing spells there a couple times, but it is what it is. We will catch you next time. In the meantime, keep it between the ditches. This is Jesse from Sim Nation. Thanks for watching.